What is going on? I hope y'all are having a very good day, night, evening, whatever, weekend. In this video, as you can see in the title, we're going to be doing the head work. We're going to be doing valve springs, retainers, the valve seals, and all that good stuff. So anyways, let's get straight to it. All right, jumping straight into it. As you can see right here, we are installing the valve seals. We kind of forgot later in the video, as you'll see, the kit came with a little spacer that you put under your valve seat. We didn't put the valve seat on there because I didn't know if we needed it for our application. So I measured it, and the measurement from the valve seat to the retainer needed to be 1.8. It was slightly under that, so I put the spacer back in there, as you'll see later on in the video here in just a second. I took them back out, put the spacer in there, and then put the valve seals on there. So later on, after I took it out, you'll see in the video I used a socket to kind of tap the seal all the way down because I couldn't really press it all the way down with my fingers. So I got a socket that was the right size as the seal, and just tapped it with a hammer to seat the seal down where it's supposed to be at. Fairly simple, fairly easy. Anybody can do this. From 1 to 5, this job was probably maybe like a level 2.
Right here we are putting in a valve seal. It didn't matter anyways because we had to take it back out to put the spacer on, but putting in a valve seal, on the inside of that seal we put assembly lube in there to kind of help press it in, but oil will be just fine to use. It went in pretty easy, but we had to take them back out, and then we used a socket later on to tap them to seat them where they were supposed to be. Alright, so I'm just going to fast forward this because it's pretty self-explanatory. To get the valve seals off, you just want to take a pair of pliers and just kind of twist them out, work your way out. After that, you want to spray some brake cleaner on there and get all that old oil and stuff out from underneath where the seat was. Then, when you get done with that, you want to put the spacer that they provide you in the valve seat on. After that, you're going to put the valve seal on, and the valve seal is not like OEM style, so it doesn't go all the way flush with the valve seat. It's got a little groove in it where it sits, so you just want to tap it with the hammer and the socket very lightly, and you'll kind of hear it change pitch whenever you tap it. That's when you know the valve seal is seated where it's supposed to be.
Yeah, you don't give a damn about what I do. You think you're the coolest. Who would ever wanna be like you? You left my heart in pain. Yeah, you don't have to admit it now. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. You want me to stay, yeah, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain.
So to measure the installed height of the valve seat, and the retainers, what I did was I put the spacer and the seats in. Then I put the, of course I put the valve seal on. But whenever you slide the valve up in there, you want to put the valve retainer in and the keys in to hold it up at top where the retainers rest. You want to put the keys in and hold the top of the retainer like you're seeing here. And then I measured it with a measuring tool, and I hit dead on 1.8, which is perfect for me. So.
You leave a highlight.
Kenny said there's only one way to start or finish a video, and that's with a nice Coors Light. No, but anyways, here we are putting in the valve springs. Finally, I've been waiting so long to get this done. I did it last night so I could finish this video up for you guys. You don't have to use the tool we're using. They make different tools, like manual tools you can use. But this is just one a friend up the road had, and you let us borrow it to put them in. All you got to do is compress the spring, put the retainer on top of the spring, and then put your keys in, and then loosen up your tool. If you got a manual tool, loosen it up, and it'll hold your valve springs in. And of course, when you're done, you want to tap the top of them just to make sure that they're seated well. Just tap them with a hammer. Every single one of them. Just do a few taps, and then you'll know you're good.
Pixelated eyes, a messy mind. Think I need to help you. I'm gonna try. Cute as hell, baby. Hotter than flames. Wanna burn together in a million ways. Now let me take the lead. Know you wanna play with me. Got secrets you might wanna see. You might wanna see. You might wanna. I know I'm not gonna regret this. Wanna get reckless, put you to the test, yeah. I know I'm not gonna regret this. I wanna get reckless. I wanna get reckless. I wanna get reckless. I wanna get reckless. Couldn't keep your poker face. Before you kept me waiting when I wanted to race.
Anyways, y'all, that's the end of this video. Y'all already know what to do. If you like what you seen, hit that like and subscribe button for me. Y'all let me know what y'all think. As always, I want to hear y'all's input. On the next video, which I already started on it anyways, I'm starting to put the pistons in and install that, but I got to gap my rings. I was trying to do it with a hand file, and it was just taking way too long. So I got a gap tool that's coming in the mail. It's supposed to be coming in here real soon. Just waiting on it to come in. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hit that like and subscribe button for me, and y'all have a good one.
Sweet as hell, baby. You're a sugar rush.